Hop! Hinto mo na yung sound test. Dahil need muna nating mag-unbox. Ito ang AuraShare BS20, affordable Bluetooth speaker na 5 watts. Nabili ko sa Shopee Store AuraShare Philippines for 368 pesos. Laman ng box is yung Bluetooth speaker na mismo, owner's manual, at yung USB Type-C charging cable. I highly suggest to read the manual to get to know the speaker better. Alright, here we go. Fabric speaker mesh sa harap, tapos hard plastic sa likod. Yan ang dominating feature ng AuraShare BS20 in this color green option. Pero mala JBL yung design ng speaker mesh ni AuraShare. Conservative design, yung kulay na talaga ang magbibigay ng personality dito. Kahit yung rubber buttons, nakakamilyon sa plastic body ng likod. Hindi takaw pansin, sabay malinis yung design ng speaker. Ito yung plastic rear body. Ginawa ito kasi mas mura yung plain plastic material kaysa sa fabric mesh. Andito yung USB Type-C charging slot at yung micro SD card slot. Got to give credit where credit is due. At itong fabric speaker mesh design ni AuraShare is peak. Gustong-gusto ko yung looks niya at yung satisfying feeling kapag hawak ko ito. Para i-on, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. At yes, katunog niya ang booting sound ng JBL. Anyway, sa pag-pair, napakadali lamang po. Di kayo mahihirapan dito. Ayan, at paired na. Time for the sound test. Sound performance. Sound quality ng AuraShare SB20 is nowhere as good as the JBL 4 Go, Soundcore Select 4 Go, and the Xiaomi Sound Pocket. Basta't di nyo narinig yung sound quality ng ibang speaker na nabanggit ko, pwedeng-pwede na po talaga yung sound performance ng AuraShare SB20. At 60% volume, composed pa yung sound quality, pero minimal yung bass or low frequencies. Tapos pag tinaas nyo pa ang volume, mag-overpower na ang mid and high frequencies. Yung instrument sound, lalakas talaga. Tapos yung vocals ang magdo-dominate na sound. Depende sa music, sad to say, masakit na pong pakinggan. Tapos yung bass or low frequency parang absent. Kasi kahit nag-up na ng volume, same level pa rin yung output nito. Pero hindi basag yung bass. Napakalakas nitong SB20. From full charge at 80% volume for 6 hours, may 70% battery pa ang natira. May micro SD card slot, pwedeng mag-answer ng cellphone calls, affordable pa yung price. Panalo talaga itong AuraShare SB20 Bluetooth speaker. Thank you so much for watching up to this point, guys. Please remember to click the like and subscribe button. Ingat po sila. Mates Wen, out!